Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way. Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make deep fried pickles. Yeah, man, you like deep fried pickles? This is the video for you. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to achieve the best looking and tasting deep fried pickles. Pretty soon, we're going to have a thing called Fridays. Only going to be featured how to do quick and easy deep fried videos. And for all my health enthusiasts out there, do not beat me bad. We are going to have from healthy go straight up. But guess what? In life, we have to balance it. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of sour. Don't? How it becomes bad is when you use it in excess. We need all of these things in our diet, you know, but we have to use it in the right proportion. So if you agree with me, hit that like button, man. That's the only way I can tell if you enjoy this video or not. So comment below as well and let me know what you think of this video and what you think of the Fridays idea, as well as I'm gonna have a playlist of juicing. I do a lot of juicing. I recently get a new blender. Big up my new blender. I'm gonna be showing you how to do some quick and easy smoothies, some healthy things. So if you're one of those who that beat me bad for the comment just now, you can no longer do that. Come here, go give you some juicing. Without further delay, forward, let me show you what I'm going. Going to start off this recipe with a bottle of baby dill pickle. You can use whichever pickle of your choice, right? Just gonna cut that down the middle in half. So now that we have these cut up, we're gonna set them aside. And we're going to make the batter for the pickles, right? So I have here a cup of flour. So I'm going to be using some peri-peri clubhouse seasoning. So this is a mixture of onions, garlic, peppers, and lime. So it has a nice little kick to it. I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of the peri-peri. So I have my salt and pepper in this bottle mix. Sprinkle about half teaspoon. Just mix that up. Add into our flour a cup and a quarter of water. And we're going to add this gradually until we get the right consistency that we're looking for. And then at the very end, I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of cornstarch. So what the cornstarch does in this recipe is to help to keep the pickles very crisp when they fry, right? Especially if you make them and put them down in the fridge before you fry them. So it prevents the pickle from going soggy, because you know it has a lot of water content to it, right? 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So that's the consistency you're looking for. It's a nice batter, not too runny and not too thick. If it's a wooden spoon or a whisk like I'm using, it should be coating it like that. We're gonna start on the breading. So forward, show you how I go on. For the breading, we're gonna be using some panko breadcrumbs. And that's what the panko breadcrumb looks like. Just gonna go in with a cup of that, 1 teaspoon of basil, half teaspoon of salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dill weed. And this gives it a nice flavor as well as a nice finish at the end. I'm just gonna mix these together. Now I'm gonna get a few of my pickles. Just gonna drop these in some plain flour. Just sort of coat them in the flour. We'll just do this so it's easier for the batter to stick onto the pickles. Just top off the excess flour and then drop them straight into our batter. So just use a toothpick and you just submerge them to fully coat them, right? You just stick it, pull it up, and shake off the excess batter, ensuring that it's coated all around. Just gonna add it to our prepared breadcrumb. So you let your wrist do the work and you just flip it. Just flick your wrist. So it's coated all around. Add that onto a clean plate. Repeat this process until all the pickles are coated. So I have here heating up a cup and a half of oil. Allow it to heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what the pickles look like. I'm gonna drop these in one at a time. We just pull them out the fryer. Been frying for 1.5 minutes and we have a nice golden brown look on them. And listen how crunchy this is. And look at that. And you can see all that dill that I was talking about earlier. And these can be served with some ranch dressing or any other favorite dressing of your choice. And there you have it. How to prepare deep fried pickles here on Morris Time Cooking Ed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.